I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love.
More chicks.
More chicks.
Daisy Joe. Cute mo. Happy birthday. Ano ba ang ganyan nag-message ako? Anyways, kung gapo mo. Char. Sino gapo? And hindi ko nakabaan yung message ko kasi haba-haba na kanina. Thank you for being such a good TC. Nakapong yung TC na sa prayer. Happy birthday.
I love you, TC. I love you.
Find your true love.
Saan mo kapanood?
Para maraming complete ulit.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday daw. Sabi nila. Birthday mo ba?
Ayaw mo, te.
Happy birthday. More birthdays ka pa.
Daisy, happy birthday. Ang sarap ng kakancontent. Well, girl, doon ka sa may TV.
Thank you for everything. Yan, mag-birthday ka na.
Ako na ang model niya. Okay, 1, 2,
Happy birthday.
Boss.
You should wear it.
You should wear it.
Kasi pag magwapo sa lahat. It's for moment. Yun lang ulit. Happy birthday. Best friend.
I love you. Ay, kami nila no, di ba? Wala pa kami.
Nakara mo yung kama.
May kasama ka.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thanks for inviting me.
Sige, message mo to, parang build na tao. Message ko to. Si Jorel, tunay na brad yan. Nakilala ko sa Telos eh.
Ganun ko, may video pa tayo.
Pero tunay na kaibigan, tunay na brad. Baka wala ako dito ah. Sana huwag niyo kalimutan yung cup na inisahin niya. Kasi naingit ako sa kanya. Kay Carl, ibibigay yung whip sa akin, hindi. Ayun lang.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday pala. Happy birthday sa akin.
Kahit, okay. Chick boy. Ayaw mamigay ng chick.
Ang lakas sa babae.
Nakakaingit ka. Kasi syempre, di ba? Umahagi ka naman kasi, Jorel. Wala. Okay, ulit.
Long live, long live.
Jorel.
Message.
Video pala lang. Kaya nga, inakabang.
Sino? happy birthday. Happy birthday, Titi. Wala akong game sarili. Bawi na lang ako sa blue average yung hindi, yun. Basta series na. Happy birthday and may sa lahat-lahat. And sana huwag ko ba. Love you. Lahat ng group namin kaya. You're up. Yeah. You're up.
Titi Jo, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Kung di dahil sa'yo, wala na ako sa Telus. Salamat sa pag-refer sa bagong account. Huwag ka mag-alala. Someday, alam mo na yun. Yung message mo sa akin sa Friendster. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
DC, happy birthday. Sorry I wasn't able to go to the party, but wish all the best, of course. Yan lang.
Si Jo, musta ka na? Alam mo na yung usapan natin na miss na namin kayo. Ay, ikaw. Miss ka na namin pala.
Hi, TC. Happy birthday ba? Happy birthday. We wish you all the best because you deserve it. We love you. Bye. Hi, TC. Happy birthday. Wala akong wish, kundi sana maging okay lalo yung team. Saka sana maging masaya sa amin, hindi kami sakit ng ulo. Sige, thank you very much sa support. Yun lang.
Hi, DC. Happy birthday. Sayang wala ka dito. Wala tuloy akong transfer. Pero wala lang. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka. Okay? Get a girlfriend.
Hi there, TC. Thank you for being such a wonderful and being such a great leader too. We so love you and that we're hoping to be with you every day in the rest of our lives. Joke. Happy birthday, Kuyutko.
Hi. Hello. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, DC. Ano ka ba? I love you. Ano ba?
Marry me.
Marry me na. Please, I'm begging you.
Bite me, bite me.
Rar. Happy birthday, DC Jo. Thank you sa advice mo. You're such a good PC.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Okay ka lang. Okay na yan. Okay na, okay. Okay. Batiin mo na.
Hello! Bye-bye! Hi! Happy birthday! Okay na!
Hello, happy birthday. Sana continue to be guwapo forever. Bye.
Ay, naman.
Ano ba, video? Ayoko video.
Ayun na, naka-record.
Ayoko video. Hi, DC Jo. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, this is Joe. Katulad yung sinabi ko doon sa text, Psalms 121, may God bless you more. Yun lang.
DC Jo, nasa kali kami.
Thank you. Happy birthday.